Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? I am trying to go ahead and pick winners for my giveaway. I have my computer here ready to go. All I have to do is push start. So thank you everyone for entering my giveaway. Thank you everyone for subbing, and let's just get started. I'm going to push start. I've already got my URL in there ready to go. I didn't want to make this too difficult since I'm holding the camera here. So let's just see who number one winner is for the journal. The magazine journal winner is BTS Manager. BTS Manager. Let me write it down. Number two is going to be the Mountain Dew notebook. So let's pick another winner here. Teresa Church. All right, Teresa. Let me write your name down. Awesome. Okay. Number three is going to be, the next three are going to be the, the little Post-its. There were 3 Post-it packages. So we're going to pick 3 for the Post-it packages. 2 had the extra little part of Post-its, and then number 3 was the 2 pieces. So let me just go ahead and hit start or pick another winner again. Number 3 is going to be Paper Kitty 99. All right. Number 4. Pick another winner. Start. This is number 4. Let's see. Louisa Vevers. All right, Louisa. I'm just writing the names down. Excuse me for being quiet there for a second. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is Rhonda NC. Excuse me if I'm not saying your name right. Anyone, just reading it here off the screen. So, Rhonda ENSEY. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for entering, and congratulations. So excited to get these little packages out to you. I just need you. My email is always below my, video. So just look down, scroll down under this video, and you will see my email. And just send me your address, and I'll get these packages off in the mail to you. Thank you all, and have a great day.